Hi YouTube family, and welcome back to Living the Newcomb Life. I'm Dawn, and today I'm going to touch on something that I see asked all the time. I hear people say, how do you get your hard-boiled eggs to peel well? Well, I have found a trick that works like a charm. We eat quite a lot of hard-boiled eggs here, between deviled eggs and just eating the hard-boiled eggs. And so I want to share with you today a little secret, or maybe it's not so much a secret, but the way that we make our hard-boiled eggs. So we have a Power Pressure Cooker XL. It's a fairly large pressure cooker, but you can do this with a small pressure cooker. You can do this with an Instapot. Pretty much any of the pressure cookers out there will do this for you. So what you need to do is take your rack. So pretty much any pressure cooker comes with some type of rack. If you don't have a rack, you can use other things. If you have a like a metal steamer basket, or possibly a like something that goes in your rice cooker, it needs to withstand heat, so I wouldn't use a plastic one, but anything metal. You could also, if you have an oven safe glass dish, you can ball up some aluminum foil, put it in the bottom of your pressure cooker so that that glass dish just sits slightly off the bottom of your pressure cooker. Sit that dish in there and put your eggs in it. So we're going to take this rack, we're going to place it down inside our pressure cooker, and we're just going to do 6 eggs. So we just take our eggs and sit it on that rack. I have done 1.5 dozen in here at one time, so as many will fit comfortably. I've never stacked them on top of each other, but as long as they're laying beside each other, they should be fine. Then for my pressure cooker, because it's so large, they recommend 1.5 to 2 cups of water inside the pressure cooker. So we are going to add that to our pressure cooker. Okay, so I've got about 2 cups of water here. I'm just going to pour it in the bottom of my pressure cooker. We're going to put the lid on our pressure cooker and lock it down. We're going to make sure that it's on sealing. And we're going to set this for 6 minutes. So 6 minutes. And I don't have to do anything else to mine. It will come up to pressure. Once it comes up to pressure, it will do the countdown. Once it beeps that it is done, we will let it slow release for 6 minutes. So it's 6 minutes of pressure, 6 minutes slow release, and then we're going to put it in an ice bath after that. Okay guys, we're done with the pressure cook now. Now we're gonna wait 6 more minutes and just let the air slow release. Time is up. Alexa, stop. Okay guys, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to release the pressure, if there's any remaining inside the pressure cooker. Very little, just a little tiny bit. Once it fully releases, the little button will drop, and I will know that I can open this pressure cooker. And then the next step will be to place the eggs, the hot eggs, into an ice bath. So I'm going to prepare that and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're going to take the top off of our pressure cooker. And you can see our eggs in here. We simply take them off and put them in a ice bath. I just took, I don't know, probably about 4 cups of ice and just put it in there. Now, if I were doing more eggs, I would have filled up this bowl higher with water, but we just had 6 eggs. So we're gonna put them in here and we're just gonna let them sit for a few minutes, somewhere around 5 to 10 minutes in the ice bath, just to cool the eggs off real quick and stop the cooking process. And then we'll be back to show you how easily they peel, and they peel like a dream. And they are the best tasting eggs, hard-boiled eggs, that I have ever tasted. So we'll be back in just a moment. Okay, our timer's going off. We're gonna go ahead and get our eggs out of the water bath. Alexa, stop. Okay, so we're gonna take one of our eggs out and we're just gonna hit the ends on the counter. And then we're gonna roll it along the counter, and as you can see, the eggshell just falls right off of this egg. And we are good to go for deviled eggs, egg salad, just eating a hard-boiled egg. Look how beautiful this egg is, guys. This is the only way to make hard-boiled eggs. Thanks for watching today. If you like this video, hit the like button. We'd love to have you as part of our YouTube family. So if you'd like to come along on all of our videos, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us. We'd love for you to share our videos with your family and friends and like-minded people, and hit the bell so that you're notified when we post a video. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.